once the pressure's been sticking around 25, 26 range for quite some time, and you've got the brine temperatures below zero, both coming and going. That means you should be able to open this up. So what you want to do is just like open it about a turn and just watch the pressure. You just gradually just keep opening it, checking the pressure. Earlier on, you're going to be just wanting to turn it like not even a quarter turn at a time, and then you'll eventually be turning like a half turn at a time. And so that's still 26.1. And so once you're at the point that you can turn this and not have the turn increase the suction, then that means that you're at the point that you can open this up wide. So to open it up wide, you want to have your wrench ready to close the packing nut, and then hold this wrench to make sure that you don't accidentally back off the packing nut. Keep spinning this wrench until it seats fully open. So there, I can feel it. You don't want to put pressure on it, just until it stops. And then you want to close this one and just make it snug. You don't want to go crazy. You just want it like just snug. And then so now you've got this wide open, packing nut is locked off. And then you need to put the cap on. And when you're putting the cap on, you want to be very careful. You don't want to cross thread this. Make sure that it's seated properly. Just spin it all the way on by hand first, and then you can take your wrench and tighten it up. And so this cap also is what's making sure that if that does leak, it's going to hold the ammonia back in there. And now you can just continue to monitor and make sure your suction doesn't climb, but so far it's good, so that means the system's wide open and you can just keep running.